we will discussing about identifiers. Python identifiers. First, what is identifier? Identifier means any name in Python is called identifier. For example, variable name, function name, class name, method name. Any name in Python programming has that is identifier. Definition: any name in Python program, any name in Python program that is identifier. For example, variable name, function name, class name, and method name. This is the identifier. Identifier have some rules. First identifier, that means first name, and any name in Python programming first start with it means Python identifier allows alphabets. The alphabets are capital or small letters. That means uppercase or lowercase. And next one, it allows underscore symbol. Symbol. It treated as a special variable. Python variable should start with alphabet or underscore. And third one, it allows digits, but identifier should not start with digit, and you can take middle, last, you can take anyway, but not first letter. It allows digits 0 to 9. Should not start. And fourth one, identifier is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. And fifth one, keywords or reserved words not allowed. Keywords or reserved words not allowed. And sixth one, special characters are not allowed. Special characters are not allowed. These are the rules in identifier. First one, alphabets are allowed. and A to Z uppercase or lowercase. Next one is underscore symbol is allowed. This one is also start with identifier. That means you can a variable name start with underscore. This is a very special variable in Python programming. Next one, digits. Digits means 0 to 9 should not, it allows you digits but not start with identifier. Next one is, it is a case sensitive language. I mean, this, for example, name is equal to A, and second one, name is equal to B. Both are different. This is the small letter and this is the capital letter. Both variables are different. And next one, keywords or reserved words not allowed in identifier. Special characters are not allowed. Dollar symbol. These are the identifiers. We will see the examples. First one, it allows the alphabets. For example, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 11. It allows the alphabets. And second one, it allows underscore symbol, underscore name. Name is equal to Python. This means this is a private variable. Private variable. And second one, double underscore age. Age is equal to 4. This is a strongly private variable. And next one, underscore salary. Main underscore. This is a language specific variable. Language specific variable. And third one, digits are not allowed with starting. For example, 0 name, that is equal to HTML 0. This variable is not allowed. This is not a character. We can name is equal to 1 0 CSS. This is the character. Should not start with digit, but digits are allowed in identifiers. Name 10. This is the rule. And fourth one, keywords are not allowed. If A is equal to JS, this is not. And def HTTP, this is not. Keywords are not allowed in identifiers. And next one, dollar symbol is special characters are not allowed. That means fifth one, dollar symbol is not allowed. Sixth one, it is a case sensitive language. That means name is equal to py and name is equal to py. These both variables are different. This means this is the small letter and this is the capital letter. This is a case sensitive language. These are the rules of the identifiers. Next we will discussing about keywords.